Ladies and gentlemen, good evening and welcome to the Beauvallon. Could I please ask you to stand and turn to greet the bride?
I know Curtis and Viv have been looking forward to this destination wedding, knowing that their closest friends and family will be a part and share in the memories of this wonderful weekend. And what a party it has been. Thank you so much, Viv, for organizing an amazing weekend.
Hi everyone, thank you for being here today to celebrate the newlyweds, Vivian and Curtis. Sorry.
Oh, don't be nervous.
I'm shaking.
I guess this is the part where I shower you guys with like compliments and stuff, but I've been third wheeling you guys for so long. I was gonna speak what I see, you know? And what I see is a beautiful, honest relationship you two have. Nothing fancy. This is really nothing I can add to it, but simply to agree that you two are made for each other. And I'm really honored and grateful to be here, to witness to you two starting a new page of life. And I also have to thank Viv for showing me his new side of Curtis I've never seen before, and I can say, this is the happiest Curtis I've ever seen.
Thank you for making me the happiest woman alive. I can't imagine life without you, and I'm glad I don't have to. We have been through many life changes together, and I'm excited to create everlasting memories with you. You're my best friend, my confidant, my soulmate. Through all the good times and the bad, you have taught me how to enjoy life, laugh, and most importantly, love. I always wondered to myself how lucky I am to have found someone so compatible.
Viv, I cannot begin to find the words to thank you for the selfless love and support you've shown me, and for motivating me every day to become the best version of myself. But most importantly, for giving me the greatest gift of my life. Your love, a partner, and your wonderful self.
Curtis, Vivian, congratulations. Many happy years. Someday, Curtis, you'll be sitting here, have the marriage of your daughter or your son. Maybe with the new science, you can even witness your grandchildren. So there's a long way to go. But let's start with the fireworks. Now, right now!
Curtis and Vivian have consented to their marriage union and have witnessed the fact before this gathering of friends and family, having made promises one to another, marked by the giving and receiving of rings and by the joining of hands, and by the authority invested in me, I now pronounce you to be husband and wife. Ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to the new Mr. and Mrs. Cheng. You may kiss the bride. Congratulations.